Should we call hello, Toots? I guess she didn't like that, huh? We call her Toots. What does Grandma call her? Toots, right? Call her Toots. We call her Toots. I don't think Toots is happy. Say, Toots, we love you. You don't have to yell it in her face, though. Dylan. Dylan, can you say hi to Pop Pop? We'll show him this video. Dylan. Alright, you ready?
Dylan.
Hi, Papa.
What do you want to tell him?
What? I love you.
Tell him about your baby.
What?
Because he's right in there.
He's not in there. He's going to watch the video. But you want to tell him about your baby? Tell him what you named her.
And tell him about your pajamas.
I need my pajamas.
Yeah? Who? They look like someone else's pajamas. Like Molly's, your doll. Oh, careful.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, say bye, Pop Pop.
Bye, Papa.